Left on Elm.
America's for Trump. Blacks for Trump. Whites for Trump. Asians for Trump. And Blasians for Trump. Let's make America great again. John Trump. Blacks for Trump. Whites for Trump. America's for Trump. Mexicans for Trump. Asians for Trump. America for Trump. Donald John Trump. Blacks for Trump. Whites for Trump. Mexicans for Trump. Asians for Trump. Blasians for Trump. America for Trump. Let's make America great again. We are here in these streets representing Donald John Trump as the 47th president again. We're no longer bound by the lies of the Democratic Party that's trying to keep black folks down, that's trying to keep everybody down. We are Americans, and we are going to elect Donald John Trump as the 47th president of these United States of America. This is going to make it great for all of us, for the black folks,
God bless Texas. Love and sin, spread the message. God bless Texas.
What you want to listen to? Let's listen to this one more time. Let's get some patriotism around here. God bless the USA.